Oil and the future of United States-Iran relations post-election. Iran and the United States matter a lot in the energy world and is much happening politically in both countries. The United States will take a final leap into the next presidential election. The election outcome would largely determine the direction of global energy geopolitics over the next few years. Undoubtedly, Washington is a heavyweight. It is by far the world's largest economy and the largest crude consumer. The policies to be adopted by Washington, Iran post November presidential elections are still to be known. Much would depend on who gets elected there. Yet it is certain that the United States election outcome would impact the energy world, its demand, supply dynamics, and global market prices in a big manner. With odds in favor of Donald Trump, the big question is, would he, if elected, opt for a tight squeeze on Iranian crude output until Tehran changes its policies on Israel, Saudi Arabia, and the other Gulf Arab countries, and reigns in Hezbollah in Lebanon and Fatah Malatia in Yemen? Tehran is confident that its oil export will continue regardless of who sits in the White House. That is a billion-dollar question. While in office from 2016 to 2020, President Donald Trump and his administration not only opted to withdraw from the Obama-era nuclear deal with Iran, the Joint Comprehensive Plan of Action, but also severely increased heat on Tehran. This resulted in Iranian crude export plummeting from more than 2 million barrels per day to less than 3 lakh barrels per day by 2019, drying up the country's main source of earning, oil sales. There was a flicker of hope when Joe Biden took over from Trump in 2020. That remains unfulfilled. In the absence of any breakthrough on the issue of reviving the nuclear pact, the Biden administration had little option but to increase sanctions. The domestic pressure on the administration didn't allow him with much elbow room. Under this approach, the Joe Biden administration sanctioned hundreds of Iranian entities, ships, and individuals accused of transporting and selling Iranian oil. However, wary of a considerable increase in price at the nearby gas station during an election year, many have questioned if the United States have fully enforced those sanctions. The permutations could all change when the Washington elections are over and a new president takes over. The new administration wouldn't be faced with the compulsion to cool down gas prices urgently, which could help Washington tighten its policies toward Tehran if necessary.